it's Tierney, and today is Thursday on Collab Society. Again, it's Tuesday. I'm just filming on Tuesday, so let's pretend it's Thursday. Brody, stop! Watch yourself. And the theme this week was to say 5 things you can't live without. 1 would be my family and friends. 2 would be food and water. 3 would be my house. 4 would be electronics. 5 would be ice cream. Definitely ice cream. And the challenge this week was to dress up all funny and go on chat roulette. Well, the thing is, my computer won't load chat roulette, so I'm just gonna think of something else to do instead. Like, I seriously think my computer blocked chat roulette. I don't know why it's not working, but I'm sorry guys. I'll do something cool or whatever. Okay, so let's go do something fun. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching and tune in next week, Thursday. Bye.